Hey guys, what's up? So I have another unboxing here of the Apple Watch, except this time it's in the 44mm, and I have some helping hands here today. It's Angelo's hand. So he's gonna help me out. This is his watch. He's gonna unbox it since he has a little free time, because usually he has me doing it, but today he's gonna help me out. And I also have some accessories for the Apple Watch that I'm gonna show you guys in a minute, but they didn't really have too many Apple Watch accessories out yet, so I just grabbed what I could. And yeah, let's just jump right in and unbox the watch. You know, I didn't realize this the last time I used a knife, but look, there's an actual little tab here that you can pull. Ooh, what do we have here? Oh, you haven't seen how this opens yet, right?
Nope.
It's pretty cool. You just pull the two tabs right here, like on the bottom. See them?
Okay.
On each side. And then it opens up. Flip it that way. That's cool, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, I forgot we got this band for you too. I like that one. So you ended up getting, which one's that one? The black?
There's the black 44mm.
Oh, that's so cute. Mine came with like a nude pink. I have the gold one, as you guys can see, and mine came with like a nude pink little sleeve, and this one comes with a black one. Be careful, because I almost dropped mine the first time. So that's what it looks like.
Let me see your watch. Put it up here.
Put it a little lower. Yeah, I'll take mine off so you guys can see the size difference. Now, I tried to power up when I unboxed my Apple Watch. I tried to compare it to my old one, but it didn't power up, so sorry about that, guys. I also have a bumper on here, but this is what the 40mm looks like compared to the 44, and it does look a little bigger here because, like I said, I have a bumper, but this is the bumper that I ended up getting for both of ours, and it's from Amazon. I'll try to find it and link it down below if you guys want it. But it's just basically a clear little bumper, and as you can see, you can still see the color of my watch and everything, but it just protects it from like getting dinged up and stuff. So yeah, it's just like a very inexpensive clear bumper. So once we unboxed Angelo's Apple Watch, it was completely dead, and then we ended up being out the whole entire day. So when I got home, I realized mine was dead as well. So I just put a little clip in here so you guys can see both the watches charged and powered up. And I also put on, as you can see, Angelo's bumper onto his Apple Watch as well. The box comes with the little charger. I saw that they have like this metallic one. I don't know if you've seen it before, but it's like a metal one, which is kind of cool. But this one just comes with this regular Apple charger, and then this little cube, which I kind of use this to charge my Apple Watch, but I would never use this for my phone because it's just really slow, so I use my iPad charger for that. But it comes with a standard little charging cube. And what color is that band?
Black sport loop.
Oh yeah, it's just black sport loop. So yeah, this is the basic like black sport loop. They have one that's a lot darker, and then they have this one which kind of has like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has a little bit of color in here, but from far it just looks black. So he has, this is the second loop he has, because when you trade in your Apple Watch, they actually let you keep the old watch bands. So he has another one of those. Mine, I have this one from my old Apple Watch, and then I got the new like the rubber band. It just matches the gold watch really nicely. You're good at unboxings. I should have you unbox all my stuff from now on. Yeah, Angelo is like very simple. He doesn't like to do all this stuff. Usually he'll have me put on the screen protector and everything, which I'm probably gonna do after this. Not to toot my own horn, but I am like the queen of screen protectors, right?
You are the master of screen
I always
protectors.
get them on like perfectly. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The black sport loop. It has a little bit of color in the band, but it's kind of hard to see here. So we're gonna put that on. All right, so I'm just gonna show you guys the accessories real quick. I picked up this clear bumper for him for the 44mm. Like I said, I'll link all this stuff down below. The other thing I picked up are these IQ shields, and I got these from my Apple Watch and tested them out, and they're really good. So basically when you open up this little kit, I used to not like these like rubbery screen protectors, but for the Apple Watch you definitely need it because it's a little bit more curved on the outer ends of it and you want it to stay on. So I picked these up. It comes with this little squeegee thing. Let's see. These are the screen protectors and it brings a lot of them. This one brought 6 of them in one pack and it's only like around $8.99 or so. And as you can see, these are the screen protectors, and it also comes with the little liquid applicator thing, and this is like non-toxic and everything, and it says water and mild detergent, so it's completely safe for your Apple Watch. So this little kit was a really good deal, and I ended up picking this up on Amazon as well. I'm gonna put this on for him afterwards. And then when I went to Target, I ended up seeing these little stands. They're an Apple Watch stand. This one's by Tom Rich, and I got this on Amazon as well. But I saw one just like this at Target, and it was like 40 bucks. And I think I got these for like 5 or 6 bucks, and they're really nice. This is the black one that I ended up getting for Angelo. Every time I get something for myself, I just buy it in a different color for him because I'm pretty sure he would like it, and I know this one he's gonna love and get a ton of use out of it. Sometimes when you're charging your Apple Watch and you like move the cord, it comes off. So this just holds the Apple Watch charger in place, and then you can just sit your watch just like this on top of it and put it on your nightstand, and then it shows like the time right here, like an alarm clock. Really cute. So I ended up getting him that one, and I also got it in a nude pink color for myself for my watch. So this is how the charger goes in through here. And out of all the reviews and different stands I saw on Amazon, these were like the best ones. So I've been using mine for like a week already and I love it. So your watch just goes on here and it just holds it like that in place, and it's super cute. So yeah, these are by Tom Rich. He's probably gonna start playing with this while I get the stuff ready for his screen protector. So this is basically what the Apple Watch in the 44mm looks like. It's not turning on right now, it's dead. We have to charge it. If you guys want to see a review or see us use the walkie-talkie features on these, then just leave a comment down below and I'll try to get that up for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. So bye, Ange. Bye.